Welcome to Colorado's most beautiful campground, Hecla Junction. Let's make some food and let's go on a hike.
Do you remember the time that we climbed that window framed opening over there and saw our view for the first time?
Belly is satisfied. Now we can go for a hike. On the menu today we got the narrow gauge trail. Not sure if that's visible. That's on the menu. Hopefully the views on the trail are as good as here on the parking lot. That's sweet. Next year, or maybe even this year, I'm planning on summiting like a bigger mountain, like a proper mountain, because the hikes that I'm doing right now is baby stuff compared to that. That'd be awesome. Just the bragging rights would be awesome. Windy. Also, I'm very big on finding trails on All Trails, the app, that have very little reviews. They usually have beautiful views like that, and there's no one on Trails. Mile and a half in, the whole time these mountains are in my view. I would love to summit one, but I need to do a lot of research because I have no clue what you need, how much of whatever you need. I know nothing. It's much different summiting that and just hiking normally. It could even be a couple days trip, so that would be awesome. But that's coming in the next few months. I gotta work my way up first because I'm not really that conditioned, but we'll work on it. If you're watching this video and you summit mountains like that, please get in contact with me. I would love to know more. National parks are freaking beautiful, but so many people go there that it's not enjoyable. I was in Zion National Park a couple years ago and it was just way too many people. You just couldn't enjoy it. Well, that's kind of a disappointing end of the trail. It ends right on the road. This is pretty sweet though. It's called Cascade Falls. Ooh. It's ice cold. Oh my god. That was a really fun, short little hike. I didn't want to do anything crazy today because I got so sunburned the other day. I didn't want to repeat that. I swear, the whole time I was walking on that trail and looking at the mountains, all I wanted to do is summit one. Now this is gonna be on my mind 24/7, so I'm gonna have to plan a trip to summit a real proper mountain. That's on my bucket list now. It's funny how that works. That's how my mind works. Once I set my mind to something, it's done. I gotta do it. I'm not sure what the heck I'm gonna eat tonight. I don't have much. All I have is like pretty old steak and some breakfast sausages and some rice cakes. That's gonna be difficult. I should have stopped in town and gotten something else. And I don't have veggies. I do have potatoes and some asparagus. I'm having a little problem with my Joby tripod. Whenever I put my camera down, they've become so loose over time that it just falls over. I'm not sure if that's what happens to tripods after a while, but I think it's unacceptable because it costs like $70 and I paid like $10 for this one. So I think I'm gonna glue it here. Only the last one is super loose. So let's give that a try. Seriously? Never mind. Oh, it's coming out. I'm pretty sure this isn't gonna hold, but it's worth a try. If you know any good tripods, let me know. This lasted 3 years, but I barely used it, to be honest. It doesn't hold up my DSLR anymore. No mas. I gotta get a new one probably. This is what's on the menu for tonight. Potatoes, tiny, did you see that? It was dusty. Potatoes, asparagus, and a week-old steak. It really doesn't look that great, but it says it's gonna expire in a week, so if you're seeing this video, I'm alive. But you know what? Just like last night, I'm gonna cook over there because I can see more things instead of being here and the truck blocking my view, you know? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, time lapse. It doesn't look bad. I wonder how it tastes though. Let's see. Could be better. I ran out of gas and it was on there for too long. Whatever. I'll still eat it. The asparagus and potatoes are fire though. Might as well just throw out the steak. Man, I kind of messed up that steak. Well, I still ate it. It was pretty much well done. I ran out of gas and it threw off my timing, so whatever. I can already hear the YouTube steak experts. Oh, you're supposed to touch your hand here and it's this and this temperature. Listen, whatever, I still ate it. It was good.
I was is too rich for my blood.
Whoops. Ladies and gentlemen, I've been playing some video games for a while. As you can see, I lit the candle so the bugs don't go in there, but they still do, like all bugs do. It's almost bedtime. I gotta go sleep early. It's only like 8 or 9 p.m. but I gotta wake up like 2-3 a.m. because I want to head out to Colorado Springs in the morning for more adventures. If you want to see that adventure, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out future episodes. I'm gonna be truck camping all the time, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any videos. Make sure you like the video so more people see it. I really appreciate that. But for now, I'm going to bed. Take care. Good night.